I'd like to call to order the special meeting of the Bowling Green Board of Commissioners for March 28, 2018. If you would please call the roll.
Commissioner Denning.
Here.
Commissioner Nash. Here. Commissioner Perigin. Here. Commissioner Williams.
Here.
Mayor Wilkerson.
Here to the special call meeting, so we get right to business. So I need approval of the minutes for our regular meeting on March 20th, 2018. Motion by Perigin, second by Nash. Are there any additions, deletions, or corrections? Please call and roll.
Denning.
Yes.
Nash.
Yes.
Perigin.
Yes.
Williams.
Yes.
Wilkerson.
Yes. We have the second reading of Ordinance BG 2018-14.
Ordinance amending Code of Ordinances. Ordinance amending Chapter 2 Administration of the City of Bowling Green Code of Ordinances to repeal Subchapter 222 Greenways Commission of Bowling Green and Warren County and delegating duties of the Greenways Commission to the Bowling Green Warren County Metropolitan Planning Organization Bicycle and Pedestrian Advisory Committee.
So moved.
Second.
Perigin, second by Williams. The second reading we discussed on the first time last. Are there any further questions or comments? Please call the roll.
Denning.
Yes.
Nash.
Yes.
Perigin.
Yes.
Williams.
Yes.
Wilkerson.
Yes. Second reading of Ordinance BG 2018-15.
Ordinance rezoning real estate. Ordinance rezoning tracts of land containing 0.3047 acre from GB General Business to RM4 Multifamily Residential located at 0 and 1213 High Street, presently owned by Arvin G. and Cornelia J. Voss.
Second.
Motion by Nash, second by Denning. Second reading of a unanimous recommendation from Planning and Zoning. Is there any further discussion? Please call the roll.
Denning.
Yes.
Nash.
Yes.
Perigin.
Yes.
Williams.
Yes.
Wilkerson.
Yes. Second reading of ordinance number BG 2018-16.
Ordinance rezoning real estate. Ordinance rezoning a tract of land containing 0.45 acre from RM4 Multifamily Residential to GB General Business located at 986 Victoria Street, presently owned by Dathan Coffer.
So moved.
Second. Motion by Perigin, second by Williams. Again, second reading of a unanimous recommendation from Planning and Zoning. Is there any further questions or comments? Please call the roll.
Denning.
Yes.
Nash.
Yes.
Perigin.
Yes.
Williams.
Yes.
Wilkerson.
Yes. Second reading of ordinance BG 2018-17.
Ordinance rezoning real estate. Ordinance rezoning a tract of land containing 1.17 acres from AG Agriculture and F floodplain to RS1A single-family residential and F floodplain located at 718 Old Border Pike, presently owned by Mike and Yvonne Heimer.
So moved.
Second. Motion by Williams, second by Nash. Second reading of a unanimous recommendation from Planning and Zoning. Are there any further comments or questions? Please call the roll.
Denning.
Yes.
Nash.
Yes.
Perigin.
Yes.
Williams.
Yes.
Wilkerson.
Yes. Second reading of ordinance BG 2018-18.
Ordinance annexing property by consent. Ordinance rescinding ordinance number BG 2018-12 and annexing 143.80 acres of property located at 113 and 435 Brookwood Drive, 4701 and 4801 Morgantown Road, and 453 Rigglewood Lane, with property owned by Jerry E. Baker by and through the estate of Jerry E. Baker, the Jerry E. Baker Foundation Incorporated, Texas Gas Transmission LLC, and the City of Bowling Green, and 3.58 acres of right-of-way for a total of 147.38 acres of said territory being contiguous to existing city limits.
So moved.
Second.
By Perigin, second by Williams. Second reading of a annexation by consent. Are there any further comments or questions? Please call the roll.
Denning. Nash.
Yes.
Perigin.
Yes.
Williams.
Yes.
Wilkerson.
Yes. Municipal Order 2018-49.
Municipal order authorizing the approval and submission of fiscal year 2019 annual plan for the Housing Choice Voucher Program.
So moved.
Second. Motion by Perigin, second by Nash. Ms. Moore.
The city's Housing Choice Voucher Annual Plan must be submitted to the Department of Housing and Urban Development 75 days before the start of the new fiscal year. This plan would cover July 1, 2018 through June 30th of 2019. A public hearing to receive public comment was conducted on February 27th, and the annual plan has been on file in the Housing Division for the past 45 days. This is the reason we're here today, is to make sure that we can get this done and submitted prior to the 75 days. Neighborhood and Community Services Director Brent Childers is here if you have any questions.
Brent, what's the reason we're having a special call?
Are there any comments or questions other than to throw darts at Brent? Please call the roll.
Denning. Nash,
Yes.
Perigin.
Yes.
Williams.
Yes.
Wilkerson.
Yes. First reading of ordinance BG 2018-19.
Ordinance annexing property by consent. Ordinance annexing 22.58 acres of property located on Lovers Lane, presently owned by Burr Rock Development Incorporated, with said territory being contiguous to existing city limits, approving the addition of this location to the target annexation area map, and further approving an associated economic development annexation incentive agreement.
So moved?
Second.
Motion by Nash, second by Denning.
This is an annexation, obviously by request of the property owner. Additionally, the property owner has requested that this property be eligible for an incentive. It is close in proximity to Target Area 4. I provided a copy of the map for you to all look at. But it is not technically in a target area, so you would need to add this area if you want to offer the incentive.
Questions? Alvin Ford's farm back there. Please call the roll.
Denning.
Yes.
Nash.
Yes.
Perigin.
Yes.
Williams.
Yes.
Wilkerson.
Yes. First reading of ordinance BG 2018-20.
Ordinance annexing property by consent. Ordinance annexing 85.32 acres of property located on Miss Paul Road, presently owned by the Intermodal Transportation Authority Incorporated, and 24.03 acres of right-of-way for a total of 109.35 acres, with said territory being contiguous to existing city limits.
So moved.
Perigin, second by Nash. Ms. Ward.
This is another instance where the city's been requested to annex this property, and in this case, this is part of the Kentucky Transpark, so it would be used for future development.
Questions? Call the roll.
Denning.
Yes.
Nash.
Yes.
Perigin.
Yes.
Williams.
Yes.
Wilkerson.
Yes. That's the final item on our special call agenda. Just as a reminder, we had this meeting today because we're taking spring break next week, so we won't be here for Tuesday night. So our next scheduled meeting is April 17th, 2018. Thank you for tuning in.